Welcome back to the channel, guys, and in today's video I'm going to try and take you through the simplest way of buying SafeMoon. Now, I've looked at a number of different ways and processes of buying it, but I think this is hopefully the easiest way you can go about purchasing those SafeMoon coins. So in terms of the apps you're actually going to need to purchase SafeMoon, you only need two apps, guys, right? The first one you're going to need is Binance, and the second app you're going to need is Trust Wallet. Now, again, you can download them for Android, you can download them from the App Store, whatever your preference is. So, step one in purchasing your SafeMoon coins, you're going to open up Binance, and you can see you'll be taken to, I've got Binance Lite, you'll be taken to this home page. And what you're going to do here, guys, you're going to hit BNB, which is the third currency you can see here. And the reason we're going to buy BNB is this is the currency you're going to use to purchase SafeMoon, okay? So essentially, click on BNB, hit buy, let's hit €250, let's hit buy. So as you can see here, the transaction has been complete. Fast forward, guys, you can see here it brings you back to your Binance wallet, right? And you can see that those Binance coins have been added to my wallet. And what you want to do now is hit on withdraw, which is the top left hand corner here in your portfolio. And once you click on withdraw, it'll show you these empty fields, right? Now, once you get to this stage, you then need to revert back to your Trust Wallet app, which takes me to step 3. So in terms of step 3, you need to go, as I said, to your Trust Wallet account. And once you've got here, you'll see a number of different coins. So you'll see here, I've already added SafeMoon. You can do that by just searching at the top right hand corner and adding it to your portfolio. So once you've done that, guys, what you're going to do is you're actually going to click on BNB. So you can see here from the screen video, it's the 5th option down here. So hit BNB. So as you can see, it'll show you this little scan code, and all you're going to do here is hit copy. Once you've done that, you're going to transition back to your Binance account, paste exactly that address into the top field which says address. Automatically network will apply, which is BEP2, and you do not have to add anything in memo, so do not add anything. If you do, sometimes the transaction will actually fail, so leave memo as blank in this case, guys, okay? And then you'll see when you get to amount, what you can actually do here is in orange, you'll see it has max. And if you click on max, it'll auto-populate what you have. So in my case, I've got in my my total amount of BNB that I've just purchased from the Binance app. And all I'm going to hit next, guys, is hit withdraw. Once you hit withdraw, that is going to take you to a very simple verification step. And once that's done, you'll see that your withdrawal request has been submitted. Now, I've seen a few instances, guys, where this takes, people talk about a few minutes to 45 minutes. That's not the case. For me, it actually came across into my Trust Wallet account literally within 30 to 45 seconds. As you can see, guys, the funds have been added into my BNB, which is the very last one there at the bottom. All you're going to do then is you're going to hit more and you're going to hit trade. Now, I have seen people actually hit swap and it just sends the BNB directly back into your account minus the transaction fee. Obviously, you don't want that to happen. So I've tried it with trade and it works perfectly. And in most cases, it's actually instant. So hit trade BNB. At the top, you can see it shows your BNB. And then in terms of what you get, what you actually want to hit is Smart Chain. So you can either search it or it might already be there. Hit Smart Chain. And then it is just a case of deciding how much of your BNB you want to transition into BNB Smart Chain. You will need BNB Smart Chain to purchase your SafeMoon coins. So at the bottom here, you can see it just above my keyboard. It gives you the option to put 100%, 75%, 50 or 25% of your total allocation of BNB into BNB Smart Chain. Or you can manually decide yourself. So if you own 0.5 BNB, put that in there and it'll tell you exactly what you get from a BNB perspective, BNB Smart Chain that is. And then all you're going to hit is swap. Now, I know some of you at this stage might be thinking, well, hang on, I've hit trade, why is it showing me swap? Honest answer is, I don't know, but it works. So just hit swap, guys, right? Then what will happen is it will show you what the trade is you're trying to make. It'll show you where it's drawing the funds from and where it will pull it to. You don't have to pay too much attention here. You'll see again there's a transaction which is quite expensive. So you may need to alter how much BNB you're transferring to BNB Smart Chain to allow for the transaction fee. Hit send and then it'll process. So allow that to process. You can press the X button and it'll take you back to your home screen here. All you're going to do then is just refresh the page, drag it down to refresh, and then it should instantly pop into your BNB Smart Chain. So you can see here Smart Chains at the top. That's because I've just added those BNB to my BNB Smart Chain, which will allow you to move on to the second last step in the process, guys, which is actually purchasing your SafeMoon coins. So for this step, guys, what you're going to need to do is enable Pancake. And what Pancake is, it's essentially the means in which you will buy your SafeMoon coins. And to do so, you're going to need to enable this little bottom ribbon you can see on my phone. So I've got wallet, browser, DEX, and settings. So you need to enable browser. So what I've got here. And to do so, guys, just refer to the link in the bio. Take the link and put it into your Safari. So what will happen is, again, using the live video stream to illustrate it, paste and go, you're going to put it in and you'll see a step-by-step process in terms of how to enable Pancake on your Trust Wallet app. So if you follow those very simple 3 steps, it'll show you how to add the browser into your Trust Wallet app. And once you've done that, guys, the next step is simply go to browser. You're going to literally type in Pancake Swap, as you can see here. Click on Pancake Swap. It'll open this up for you. It should automatically be connected once you've bought your BNB Smart Chain coins. So it's linked to your account. It'll show you how much your balance is, so it'll automatically show you. I've obviously already bought my Moon coin, so I can't actually buy any more for you. I'm at the bottom of my limit. But it'll show you your balance. So this should be the total amount of BNB Smart Chain coins that you have. And then all you're going to do is select your currency and you're going to buy your SafeMoon. All you're going to do is select SafeMoon, click understand, and all you need to do then is beside exchange, you'll see these 3 little sort of candlesticks. Hit that, ensure that the slippage tolerance is at least 12%, otherwise the transaction will not go through. So once you've done that, you want to hit enter amount, and so you can hit max, but again, just allow for any transaction fees, and hit swap. Hit confirm swap, and then hit send. Once the transaction is submitted, hit close, and you can press the X button in the top right hand corner, guys. Now that you've done this, it takes you to the very last step in the process, which is your SafeMoon coin should be purchased. Back to your Trust Wallet homepage, your portfolio, hit the refresh, drag down, and your SafeMoon shares should be applied to your portfolio. And that is really it, guys. That's hopefully a very simple way for you to buy your SafeMoon coins. Hopefully a lot more gains in it for all of us. If there's any questions or any queries, please feel free to drop them in the comment section. And as always, please do like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks a million, guys, for watching. Take care.